Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a complete first look at the stunning 2026 BMW M8. If you're a fan of luxury performance cars, this is one model you won't want to miss. The new BMW M8 combines breathtaking design, incredible power, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort into one high-performance grand tourer. In this video, we'll explore the exterior, interior, engine, performance, features, safety, expected price, and much more. So, let's get started. The 2026 BMW M8 immediately captures attention with its bold and muscular appearance. Finished in a beautiful metallic grey-green color, the car looks both elegant and aggressive. Under bright showroom lighting, the metallic paint creates deep reflections that highlight every sharp bodyline and sculpted surface. As we move to the front, the redesigned kidney grille instantly stands out. BMW has given it a sportier look with a gloss black finish and active air flaps that improve airflow. On both sides, slim adaptive laser LED headlights provide excellent visibility while giving the car a modern and aggressive expression. The front bumper features large air intakes that help cool the powerful engine and high-performance braking system. The sculpted hood adds character while improving aerodynamics, making the M8 look fast even when it's standing still. From the side, the BMW M8 showcases its sleek coupe profile. The long hood, low roofline, frameless doors, and wide rear fenders create a perfect balance between luxury and performance. Carbon fiber side mirrors and aerodynamic side skirts further enhance the sporty design. BMW is expected to offer lightweight forged alloy wheels measuring up to 20 inches in the front and 21 inches in the rear. These wheels are wrapped in ultra-high performance tires that provide outstanding grip during both daily driving and spirited performance. Looking at the rear, the M8 continues to impress. Slim LED taillights stretch across the rear body, giving the car a sophisticated nighttime appearance. A carbon fiber rear diffuser, integrated spoiler, and quad performance exhaust tips complete the aggressive styling while improving aerodynamic efficiency. Overall, the exterior design perfectly blends luxury with motorsport-inspired engineering. Now, let's step inside the cabin. Opening the door reveals a beautifully crafted interior built with premium materials. High-quality merino leather covers the seats, dashboard, and door panels. Soft touch surfaces, carbon fiber trim, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting create a luxurious environment. The driver is welcomed by BMW's latest M Sport steering wheel featuring multi-function controls and dedicated M1 and M2 buttons for personalized driving modes. Behind the steering wheel sits a fully digital curved display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless high-resolution screen. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and over-the-air software updates. The front sports seats are designed for both comfort and performance. They offer heating, ventilation, memory settings, and multiple power adjustments. The seats provide excellent side support while remaining comfortable during long-distance journeys. The rear seats provide enough space for occasional passengers, making the M8 more practical than many traditional sports cars. The center console features premium controls, crystal-style gear selector options, drive mode switches, climate controls, and additional storage compartments that enhance everyday usability. Now let's talk about performance. The heart of the 2026 BMW M8 is expected to remain its legendary 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. BMW may further refine this engine to produce approximately 650 to 700 horsepower, delivering breathtaking acceleration and exceptional performance. Power is sent to all four wheels through BMW's advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum traction in every driving condition. Drivers can also choose a rear-wheel drive mode for a more engaging driving experience on the track. The advanced 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic transmission delivers.
Performance figures are expected to be extraordinary. The BMW M8 could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.0 seconds, while its electronically limited top speed may reach 190 miles per hour with the optional M driver's package. BMW engineers are also expected to improve adaptive suspension, electronic dampers, active differential, rear wheel steering, and brake response, allowing the M8 to handle sharp corners with confidence while maintaining excellent ride comfort. Despite its immense performance, the engine is expected to deliver respectable fuel efficiency thanks to improved turbocharging technology, cylinder deactivation, and mild hybrid assistance. Safety is another area where the 2026 BMW M8 shines. BMW is expected to include a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, parking assistant professional, a 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, and automatic parking. These intelligent technologies make the M8 easier and safer to drive in everyday situations while preserving its thrilling performance capabilities. BMW will likely offer several customization options, including carbon fiber exterior packages and performance accessories, multiple wheel designs, premium leather colors, Alcantara interior packages, illuminated trim panels, and personalized ambient lighting themes. Now let's discuss the expected pricing. Although BMW has not officially announced pricing, automotive experts estimate that the 2026 BMW M8 Coupe could start at approximately $155,000. Fully loaded competition models with premium packages, carbon fiber upgrades, and exclusive interior options could exceed $180,000, depending on the selected configuration. The BMW M8 will continue competing against some of the world's finest luxury performance cars, including the Mercedes-AMG GT63 Coupe, Porsche 911 Turbo S, Audi RS7 Performance, Lexus LC500, Aston Martin Vantage, and Maserati Gran Turismo Trofeo. What makes the BMW M8 unique is its ability to combine extreme performance with everyday comfort. It is equally capable of delivering thrilling acceleration on a racetrack and relaxing luxury during long highway drives. Overall, the 2026 design, world-class performance, advanced technology, luxurious comfort, and premium craftsmanship in one complete package. If BMW officially introduces this updated model, it will undoubtedly remain one of the most desirable high-performance grand touring cars in the luxury market. That wraps up our first look at the 2026 BMW M8. We hope you enjoyed this overview. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new M8 and whether you would choose it over the Porsche 911 Turbo S, Mercedes AMG GT63, or Audi RS7 Performance. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews of luxury cars, supercars, sports cars, and future automotive releases. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.